3B's World Podcast, Chromium, Beyond the Shine, a Vital Trace Element. Welcome back to the 3B's World Podcast, where we explore the fascinating world of science. Today, we're focusing on an element that often catches the eye with its shine, but also plays a less visible yet crucial role in our health: chromium. Chromium. The name itself evokes images of gleaming chrome, but this element is much more than just a pretty face. It's a vital trace element, meaning our bodies need it in very small amounts, yet its impact is significant. Let's delve into its history, explore its key properties, discuss where it's found, and most importantly, understand its role in human health. The discovery of chromium dates back to 1797, thanks to the work of French chemist Louis-Nicolas Vauquelin. While analyzing a mineral called crocoite lead chromate, Vauquelin isolated a new element, which he named chromium, after the Greek word chroma, meaning color. This name reflects the vibrant colors of many chromium compounds. However, it's important to distinguish between chromium metal and the various chromium compounds, as they have different properties and biological effects. Key properties. Chromium, in its metallic form, is a hard, lustrous, and corrosion-resistant metal. This resistance to corrosion is a key reason why it's used in chrome plating, protecting other metals from rust and wear. However, the chromium we're interested in for human health is primarily trivalent chromium, Cr3+, which is the form found in food and supplements. This is distinct from hexavalent chromium, Cr to the power of 6+, which is a toxic form of chromium often associated with industrial processes and environmental concerns. It's crucial to understand this distinction. Distribution in nature. Chromium is found in various minerals, primarily chromite, iron chromium 2 oxygen 4. Chromite ore is mined in several countries, including South Africa, Kazakhstan, and India. Chromium is also present in trace amounts in soil, water, and, importantly, in some foods. The human body, the role of trivalent chromium. Trivalent chromium, Cr3+, is an essential nutrient, although its precise biological functions are still being researched. It's important to emphasize that the mechanisms by which chromium functions are complex and not fully understood. Glucose metabolism. Chromium plays a role in glucose metabolism, working in conjunction with insulin to help regulate blood sugar levels. It's thought that chromium may enhance insulin sensitivity, allowing cells to more effectively take up glucose from the bloodstream. However, it's important to note that chromium supplementation is not a substitute for a healthy diet and exercise in managing blood sugar. Macronutrient metabolism. Chromium is also involved in the metabolism of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, contributing to the overall process of energy production. So, while chromium is important, it's not a magic bullet for blood sugar control or weight loss, as some claims might suggest. A healthy lifestyle is still the most important factor. Exactly. And it's also important to get chromium from food sources whenever possible. Food sources and supplementation. Good food sources of chromium include broccoli, grapes, whole grains, and some meats. However, the chromium content of food can vary depending on growing conditions and processing methods. Chromium supplements are available, but they are generally not recommended for most people unless prescribed by a doctor. It's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before taking any supplements, as excessive chromium intake can have potential side effects. That's excellent advice. Getting nutrients from whole foods is always preferable, and it's essential to talk to a doctor before taking supplements. Outro. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of chromium. We hope you've gained a clearer understanding of this essential trace element and its role in our health.